Hi guys, it's day 3 in Melbourne. Hi Andjas.
Crazy.
And today it's really windy. Did you see Eloise? She wear hats, she wear everything that we can think of to make sure that she's warm. Because today it's cold. We're gonna take you around with us today and see you soon.
Hi guys, so we're going to St. Ali Coffee Roasters.
And it's very famous coffee in Melbourne. It's originated from Melbourne. And
It's in South Melbourne, and now we're going to Town Hall to take a tram. And yeah, so we're at Collins Street now. Hello. Oh, you're holding my hand.
okay.
Hello is holding my hand. And we're gonna meet our Sydney friends, but they moved to Melbourne 3 months ago. So yeah, we're gonna have catch up with them. Hello. Hey.
The food is like typical brunch, but the coffee is really nice. I had 2 coffees because this was so good. How was your food, Andjas?
Yeah, it's good. I ordered the crispy pork
Banh mi.
banh mi.
Yeah, and ordered the Mexican cousin. So now where are we going?
Oh, we're going to Crown, right?
Yeah. How long it takes? 10 minutes, I think.
10 minutes walk.
Yeah, from the coffee shop.
Let's go. Let's go.
So just to let you know, this is the casino entry. It's only for 18 years plus. So we need to go to the plaza where the restaurant and the bar are located. Because we have the baby, we can't go to the casino. But we just want to go to the plaza anyway.
so we're planning to have dessert in the city, but it's raining outside, so... Okay guys, so the rain just stopped, so we're going to the city now to have dessert.
At Brunette.
At where?
Brunette.
Okay. So we're gonna go to the DFO first, but we don't know where is it, so we're seeing people just got shopping bags from here, I think. Alright, so I'm accompanying Stefanie to shop.
You lie. You are the one who excited to go.
Hi guys! Ella just woke up. Okay, so the rain is stopped as well, so we're gonna go to the city to get dinner. We're gonna have Japanese food for dinner because Stefanie wanna get the ox tongue and rice at Menya Restaurant, so... Hey! Hey! Yes!
No!
Yes! So that's the ox tongue and rice. Gyutandon. Is it good?
Still good.
Yeah. And I don't know this meal set. Yeah, thank you. Tempura. And I ordered, I think, black sesame and gyoza.
Black sesame ice cream.
No, black sesame hot drink. This is a black sesame. Alright, we just finished our dinner. It was a great dinner and it's really huge as well because we ordered a lot. And now we're going back to the hotel. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And
see you tomorrow
in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.